today we shall be talking on how to sort our data and to filter our data. We can sort our data in, you could see my data here, I scattered my serial number so that I can use that to explain number 1, number 5, 7, and you see the last name and the first name, sex, age, and date. How do we sort this? You can sort either alphabetically from A to Z or from 1 to 10 anyhow, or the year. You sort also according to your year. As my note here, I said you may want to put a list of names in alphabetical order, or to complete a list of products in levels from highest to lowest. You quickly visualize. So how do we go about it? Just select your range of cells. That means all the cells that contains your data that you want to sort. On our home tab, you will see this home. If you see this home on our home tab here, you move down, you will see what we call sort and filter. Sort and filter. Just click on it. There. Sort and filter. I will not allow you to use from smallest to lowest or from largest to, because we want to sort accordingly. So let's go straight to custom sort, which allows you to pick any of the options you want to use. Now looking at this custom sort, you could see sort by which one did I want to sort. Is it according to serial number? When I pick serial number, it arranges the names according to the serial number. Is it from smallest to the largest or from the largest to the smallest? Definitely we pick smallest to the largest. Then you click on OK. Look at my data is going to change. But look at it. My number 2 is Madame Ebuki. My number 3 is Azan Zainab. Put that. Does it arrange it? Yes. And all the names follows. That means number 2 is Madame and number 3 is Azan. But it arranged my serial number alphabetically. As we could see, that is how to sort according to your number. Now, how do we sort according to our names, alphabetical order? We go back to the same place that I say you should do on custom sort. Don't forget, this time around, I'm going to sort from last name. That is A to Z. Do we see? Yes. What happens? It gives me my last name to be what? A to Z. But what happens? My serial number also follow with my last name, because that is what we have picked. You see? So when you come here, I can now say, is it the value or the cell color? But we did not color our cell. So let's make it to the value. That's it. It's going to sort it for you. Now, if you want to sort according to the date, maybe the year that you want to have the year to be the beginning, not minding the day or the not minding the names. So you are going to select everything back. Yes. Then you go to your sort, filter, custom sort. Then you pick dates, which is my column, because I have a column that has dates. So is it from the smallest to the largest, or from the largest to the smallest? They will say the largest to the smallest is from 2022 down to 2009. And that is how we do our sorting. That is very good. Now, how do we filter? I said filter data displays only the rows that meet criteria. And what is the criteria? These are the conditions we specify to limit which record that are included in the results. So let's go to the filter. Select your range of cells, as I've told you. Then you go to your sort and filter. Then you click on filter. Clicking on this filter is going to give you in form of this column. The only thing that changes is because it gives you a bullet at the right end. And what does that mean? You can come to this bullet and select. Give me the name of people from date. Remove from 2017. Remove 2019. I don't want to have them there. I want to have from 2009 to 2016. Once I click it, it has filtered my data. It did not delete them, it's still hidden. You can go back to the date and do what? Click them again. So it's going to give me. What do I want to filter? Filter for all the male. I don't want to have the female now, but I don't want to delete them. I only want to work with male. That is what we use our filter for. It's going to give me all the male in the range. Don't forget, my date is limited. So until I click all these ones, then all the males from 2009 to 2022. Do we see? That is how we do our filter. You can also filter for your female if you don't want the male. That means to show only the criteria you need. You don't need to delete any data. If you don't want to use all the information, you can hide them by doing your filter. And that is what we do with our sorting and our filter of data. I believe with this you should be able to do one or two things. Try to lay your hands on it and get